Abantu abaningi bathi banembuzo ukuthi kungani uprincipal kaCwecwe eyivikele ngokuthi enqabe ukuthi enze i-DNA njengomunye wabasolwa kangangokuthi ezeqashe abameli. Ngakho-ke bathi le DNA uzoyenza ngenkani ethanda engathandi. Ngoba bathi mawukuthi akayenzanga lento abasiboni isidingo sokuthi azenqabe ukwenza i-DNA.
Last year, ngo-October eMatatiyela, ingane was raped esikolweni kaMalengana uCwecwe. Kwaba khona-ke abasolwa abathathu okwamele ukuthi bethathe ama-DNA. And then uprincipal waqasha abameli kuba basho ukuthi akuphoqelekile yena ukuthi enze i-DNA. In fact uyanqaba yena uprincipal uthi akuphoqelekile ukuthi yena enze i-DNA. Khumbula lana ukuthi ingane ilimalele esikoleni. Ingane ibisi ngaphandle isiye ekhaya. Caretaker wathi ayingene ngaphakathi. Ingene ngaphakathi uyoshanela esikoleni esi-private school. Umbuzo wami uthi uncengwane uprincipal. Yini lengaka encenga uprincipal? Yini yena uprincipal so defensive nje yena uzuqasha abameli ufuna ukumelwa yena. Ngithi yena kenze lutho yena wayesesikoleni nje kuphela. Yini yemenza ukuthi manje uprincipal akhiphe ikhwepha ayivikele? Vikela kanjani into ongayenzanga? Mina sengayivikela njengamanje mangathiwa kunomuntu ogwaziwe la izansi and bafuna ukuthatha ama DNA ethu la eflatini bese ngiyayidefenda ngithi no mina ngithatha i-DNA ngamane ngiqasha abameli bengikhulumele besho ukuthi no principal if awenza ngalutho then yenza i-DNA and le DNA uzoyenza le DNA principal uzoyenza le DNA uzoyenza kumnyama kubomvu uzoyenza vele in Johannesburg next week we are planning a strike Durban nase Cape Town nako Newcastle ngizwe kanjalo nako zonke indawo actually kuzoba nemash lona nje uzoyenza le DNA ngithi yena kenze lutho wayesesikoleni uzoyenza ke i-DNA yena uzoyenza i-DNA because we know exactly ukuthi kubebe kuumuntu omnyama ethi angayenze i-DNA esefaka abameli ebezolandwa ngenkani bengeyancenge futhi bizothatha le DNA without i-consent yakhe bese ngoba yena lona nje emhlophe kunathi yanqaba yena and umthetho uyamvuma ukuthi akuphoqelekile ngoba kunguye uzoyenza le DNA principal uzoyenza le DNA. Sifuna iqiniso. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni enganeni and ukwenzeleni lokho enganeni. Umenzo okubi. Sinembuzo kumuntu orape ingane ukuthi uyirepheleni. Sinembuzo. We need answers as a country. As abesifazane. Ngeke sikhiphe ingane zethu emakhaya sisaziyofunda bese kuba khona nje usathane uzoyenza lo DNA xa siyadlala akudlalwa la uzoyenza i-DNA adlali.
Angazi lutho ngejustice angifunde indawo anginawo ama qualification kodwa ke ngikhona nje emphakathini njengogumbuso omkhanda osevayo ekhungweni zama zenduna zenkosi ngisikhothami nje nami senkosi okukuthi umthetho kancane ngubonile because umthetho uke wangichallenge nami so ngubonile kakhulu umthetho ungichallenge almost 9 months ngikuchallenge nje ukubhekana nomthetho ngqo namanje icala liboli khona engisengakwenza kodwa ngifuna ukuveza kancane ukuthi kungane la kuCwecwe uCwecwe angayitholi justice right now. I-statement sakhe uCwecwe akazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni kuye njengoba engazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni kuye umzali noma engayibona ukuthi uCwecwe udlwenguliwe amhambise kodokotela kushiwo kuthiwa hayi cha uCwecwe phela wadliwa kuphuma ispam ngaphansi kuphumeni lalela ke leyo evidence ekhishwe udokotela iyona ezokwenza ijustice isebenze njengamanje. But what is yini into edingakala ukuthi yenzakala? Kunabasolwa lana abathathu, i-caretaker, umalume, ubaba ekhaya ozala lengane, mina nothisha omkhulu bawu4, bangama-suspect bobawu4. Ngingazi ke nomthisha omkhulu wayesesekhona lesikhathi i-caretaker ivusa umntwana ithi nangu umalume esezomthatha, angazi. But engifuna ukuveza la kuwe Sexolo ukuthi labantu abawu4 ijustice kuze isave yilabantu okumele ukuthi bethathwa ama-samples bonke bobawu4 ngaphandle kokuthi beyiswe edoksini, because i-justice system ayikwazi ukuvalela umuntu ngendaba ye-hearsay, ngoba uma sekutholakala ukuthi lowo muntu uboshela ubala, lowo muntu can sue i-state. So le 4 ifinga accuse umalume, i-caretaker, uthisha omkhulu, ubaba wengane ekhaya ke baleni manje, because lento lena it took about 2 days ukuthi notice. Well makuqhubeka isikhathi kwabonakala ukuthi no into yiba worse. So umntwana suggested ukuthi ucela ukuthi okungenani akazogadwa esikolweni and uphuma njalo eklasini. So mina into engifuna ukuyisho for uCwece ukuthi uCwece has got nothing to do nalento, and uCwece has no powers to ukuthi angabhala engashintsha statement usho lokho akwaziyo, finish and clear. Thina esifuna iqiniso ukuthi ukuhlangana komphakathi singathi justice for all, akuhlangana umphakathi vele i-justice system inayo i-budget yama in case of kuboshwa umuntu onganalo icala noma ongayazi into, ukusolakala umuntu ongayazi into, mase kuthiwa seke wazi wavalelwa, emva kwaloko i-state must be accountable. So i-state kuze si-avoid ukuba accountable, that is why i-state sithe ngokwe-statement somntwana we can never arrest anyone anyway. It's clean uzobopha bani, i-justice uthi ayibophe bani according to wena, ubani umuntu okumele ukuthi avela adonswa ayistokisini, akekho. Why? Nalo wamvusa late, nalo wathi akazoclean, nothisha omkhulu ngendlela akhuluma ngayo, ekugcineni ayikho into ekhunjulwa umntwana ukuthi kwenzakala ngalolu suku. Ulobo buthongo, ukukhathala, exhausted, emva kwaloko akhathale, emva kwaloko avuswe sekuthiwa akahambe. Ama-suspect awu4 ukuze lento iye phambili, ukuthathwa le 4 ngaphandle kokuthi iboshwe, kuthathwa ama-samples ayo yo4 ayokhompelwa nento ephume kumntwana, then uzobe sevela. Uma kuthathwa le 4 kungaveli, then umama unomsebenzi wokuthi abhekisise ukuthi obani abanye abasondelene nomntwana ukuze ngempela kutholakala iqiniso. But now i-justice ayikwazi ukubopha umuntu ngenxa ye-statement somntwana sifisha kakhulu, asiqedi ngisho 30 paragraph, asebenzisi even ama-letter more than 50. Ngabizwa right, ngangena kwathiwa ngiyoklina, yes, emva kokuklina ngakhathala, ngaphaphama sengilokhuza sengivuswa, akuhlangani ngisho lokhuza akuphumi ngisho no-100 words kuleyo nto leyo. Akusisona i-statement esivalid for inkantolo ukuthi ingasebenzisi. Ngiyabonga ithuba.
Umbono wami nje usekuthinini umntwana wasematatiyela esikolweni engasazi igama laso udlwengulwe uprincipal wesikolo. Umbono wami lo mbono wami ngizawutshintsha okanye ngizawusuka kuwo ishenxe kuwo xa uprincipal esesebenzisene nabomthetho waziprova innocent. Ngokokwami nje ukucinga, uprincipal xa kufika bomthetho kuye besithi kune case enje nanje esikoleni sakho principal, so kwi-investigations zethu esizenzayo nawe socela ba ubandakanyeke ube ngomnye wabantu esizoba investigator. Uprincipal njengenkokheli yesikolo bengafanelanga uprincipal usokolisene nabomthetho, ngena umuntu oqala bekufamba uye wasebenzisana nabomthetho aziprove innocent, abe sethatha responsibility yena principal yokusebenzisana nabomthetho kufunyanwe isigelekeqe esiye sangena esikoleni sakhe sadlwengula umntwana. Failure to do that, uprincipal nguye odlwengule umntwana. So yiyo ke lento indenza nje nditsho nje apha ngokungazisoliyo futhi uba uprincipal nguye umdlwenguli walamntwana. Yabona lento yenziwe ngumalume we-transport. Yinto bekufanele siyilindele pha ku-principal. Le yenziwe ngumalume we-transport yoba kuthi xa kufika abantu bomthetho besithi malume we-transport ebantwaneni obathathayo omnye wabantwana uye wafikelwa kukwenzakala kokureyitshwa. So ucela ukusebenzisana nawe siku-investigate uba ngabana awuyenzanga nalento. Umalume we-transport kuyavela ngomlomo wabazali bomntwana uba umalume we-transport akhange asokolisa uye wasebenzisana nabantu bomthetho. Oyena muntu owenza icase yomntwana ba ingahambeli phambili kusuka ngo-October ukuzothi ngoku, oyena muntu ongumqobo ukuba le case okanye ukuba abazali bomntwana mabafumane ubulungiswa ngomntwana wabo ku-principal ongumzali womntwana naye esikolweni. So lona leyo nje iyakuxelela nje uba umntwana udlwengulwe ngu-principal. Umntwana nje udlwengulwe ngu-principal. Akufuneka besisokolisa apha. Ndiyavuya futhi ndiyabonga xa ndibona u-MEC wakwa-education ethathe isigqibo soba esasikolo esiya uyasideregister okwangoku kusenziwa investigation. Linyathelo elihle kakhulu elithathwe nge-MEC, simqhwabele izandla. Noba ke ilinyathelo elithathwe sekukade ngoba u-October ukuzothi ngoku lixesha elide kakhulu. Bekufanele besasikolo nje siyana by November elinyathelo laliselithathiwe. Umhlambi ke singabe sithi ke mhlambi yayingekafiki kwi-attention yabo o-MEC. Mhlambi ke singabe sitsho sithi khani ifika. Kodwa ke inyathelo abalithathileyo lihle kakhulu. Ndiyahambisana nalo futhi ndiyalisupport. Ndizawuthi kubazali abanabantwana abafunda kwesasikolo beningathanda futhi uba bangasebenzisana nabazali bomntwana odlwenguliweyo umntwana wakhe, ngoba asingeke sazi babangapha abantwana abangamantombazana abadlwenguliweyo kwesasikolo. Asingeke sazi. Ekungenzeka kuba lona umntwana uye wehlelwa libhadi elibuye libe yilakhi yokuba ngabana yena athi ekudlwengulweni kwakhe onzakale libhadi lehlelele yena elo laba yilakhi kulento yoba ngabana ekwenzakalani kwakhe kuye kwatsho kwafumaniseka kuba kwesasikolo abantwana bayadlwengulwa. Kungenzeka abaninzi abantwana abadlwengulwa kwesasikolo kodwa engakhange ifike kwi-attention yabazali babo uba umntwana ulimele kwi-private parts zakhe. Kungenzeka uba baninzi abantwana abadlwenguleyo, abanye abangazaziyo abadlwenguliwe kuba nalona umntwana akayazi bakwenzeke intoni. So kungenzeka abaninzi abantwana abadlwenguliweyo abangazazi noma abadlwengulwa. Abanye baba abantwana ngenxa yobuncinci babo kungenzeka uba abanotice nokuba ikhona into engahambi kakuhle apha kwi-private parts zabo. So ibe yilakhi kanjalo ke into yalo mntwana yoba avele ba udlwenguliwe. Ilibhadi ke kuye umntwana omncinci afumane esisehlo. So kubazali bomntwana zavule ndithi nje mabaqine uNkulunkulu esebenza emfihlakalweni uzoba nabo ubulungiswa buzovela bazabufumana ubulungiswa. uNkulunkulu nje esebenza emfihlakalweni. Abaqina abazali bomntwana futhi abazali bomntwana bangazisoli bona baziblame bona ba ikhona into abangayenzanga kakuhle. Ayikho into abangayenzanga kakuhle abazali bomntwana. Bathathe umntwana wabo bemsesikolweni bemkhangelela ifuture benethemba loba abantu abasesikolweni bangabazali ebantwaneni bengayazi into yobangabana uprincipal wesikolo uzojika bese silwane ebantwaneni. So abazali bomntwana andifuni babazisole, funa nje bahlale nje ingqondo zabo bazibeke phansi, amaphapho bawobeke phansi, baqhubeke basebenzisana nabantu abafuna ukubancedisa kulento yokuba kufunyanwe isigelekeqe esidlwengule umntwana wabo esinguprincipal sibotshwe sivalele ngaphandle ngaphakathi ejele. So nako nje engingakutsho ebazalini bomntwana. Ngalo lonke ixesha bamkhumbule uNkulunkulu ngoba nokuba ngabe umntana aze abe uyavela burechiwe ngamandla kaNkulunkulu esingeke siwangabazi uNkulunkulu nje xa kusithiwa usebenza emfihlakalweni kutshiwo izinto ezinje ngoba le into bebeyenza benethemba futhi lokuba ayizuvela ngenxa nanku umntana akazukwazi ukukhumbula uba kwenzeke intoni so benethemba hayi ke ubufakazi abo sibulalisile kodwa uNkulunkulu esebenza emfihlakalweni wabaveza ba badlungula abantwana kwesasikolo so yanto nje into engayithekazela bomntwana bangabana baqhubeke bathandaze baqhubeke besupport umntwana wabo.
Molweni ndize ngochukwa naxesha. So AfriForum has released a pathetic excuse of a statement as to why, accounting for why, that Jacob Pieterse should not be giving his samples, his DNA samples. Apparently it was irrational. Why is it irrational for someone who's a suspect in a crime to give DNA to prove himself? He must prove himself. I get it, he's saying he didn't do it. Then he must prove. If you're a suspect in a crime and you don't want to give your samples to prove yourself innocent, guess what that makes you? Mescarabo, very suspicious. Even more suspicious. So they released a statement because apparently it was very, They are protecting him, Gesan. They are protecting him. Because what do you mean it's irrational that he should give his sample? Why bechichiliza ngesample? If you're innocent in a crime and everybody is accusing you of that crime, what do? You prove yourself innocent. You prove that you didn't do it unless you've got something to hide. Unless there's something that you don't want to be found. Because the caretaker and the taxi driver, they gave their samples. Why aren't you? What is it to your dignity? I mean, you're not going to say the reputation of the school now. The school is closed. No, we want the samples. We want justice. Asijiki. Asizujika. We will not. Asizujika. That's a guy. We won't. Asizujika. Okay, guys, sign the petition. You can't link. Can't link with profile yam. The link is in my bio. Call AfriForum izovala loo nto up. Call AfriForum eza samples siza kuzifumana. Sizozifumana, samples zona, sizozifumana, and you guys can kumsh all you like. Because what do you mean? So everyone else who took samples, uyahlanya yena, kubhadle yena, why? Why? Is he not a man? Was he not in the vicinity when it happened? So then does it not make him a suspect? They even say the child claims that. The child claims that she didn't see the suspect. Of course she didn't see the suspect. Unconscious. Have you ever been able to see anyone when you're unconscious? And also, if the child knew who the suspect is, would we need to test everyone? No, we wouldn't. We're testing everyone because we want to suspect.
Because asizutula, we will not be silenced. We won't. So generation your mama bethu thina evuma yonke into. Asiyo generation your mama bethu enoyikayo thina. Justice will be served. Nithanda ningathandi.